5D TV. Today we are diving into the benefit of the Pi network and why it is matters in the world of the cryptocurrency. The Pi network is the decentralized the cryptocurrency project designed to make a digital currency, meaning accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, to Ethereum, Pi allows users to mine coin directed from their smartphone without draining their battery or use excessive resources. Why is the Pi network important? Accessibility: anyone with smartphone can join, making it inclusive from people worldwide, especially those in developing nations. Unlike the tradition, meaning the Pi network is eco-friendly and does require expensive hardware. It promotes a fair financial system. We are not design and it has control. As the network grows and become adopt by would become significant digital assets. Example for this important impact: imagine a farm in remote area with limited access to traction. Backing my mining Pi, they could eventually trader or user it currency, enabling them to practical in global commerce. At D5D TV, we believe in employing community with the knowledge about emerging technology like Pi network. We keep watching for more into how cryptocurrency can transform your life. Stay united and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you so much. My name is Gasigwa Emmanuel.
Yes, TV Rwanda, ikoranabuhanga, tumenya iby'isi, cryptocurrency dutahure, amakuru mashya buri munsi kuri chaîne. Yes, TV, aho twunguka bumenyi. Yes, TV Rwanda, ikoranabuhanga, tumenya iby'isi, cryptocurrency dutahure, amakuru mashya ishene. Yes TV, aho twunguka ubumenyi